Hi everyone, welcome back to my videos. Here today we are going to start with our 3D part, and for 3D we have some commands. Like here are some commands to make a 3D parts. Like this is called pad. This pad is used to add material in our sketch. Okay, and this is a pocket. This is opposite to the pad. Pad and pocket. These are combined together. This is adding material, this is removing material. This is shaft. That is if I have some sketch and I want to revolve it making a cylinder, this is called shaft. And this is groove. This is opposite to shaft. And this is a hole. If I want to make a hole for our fasteners in our plate or our in any in any face, this hole is used. Now this is rib. Rib is like I have some section and want to expand it along a path, and this is opposite to ribs, that is slope. So let's start some examples. So for pad we need a sketch. I'm taking this plane sketch. Let us make a rectangle. Okay, I have done this rectangle. We need to make it green with all the dimensions like this. Now it is green and fully defined. In our sketcher and when we are practicing our sketch, we have seen the importance of this green color. Green means it is fully defined and it will not move here and there. So exit from the sketcher. Now this is our sketch. Okay, I am using pad to this sketch. This will add material to this sketch. A solid box will be there of height 20 mm. This height is 20 mm. We can increase it like this, you can see. We can decrease it. Okay, like this. If we you have made this pad but you think this is much thicker or thinner, you want to change, here is our tree. Double click on pad and you can change it from here like 30. We have this cubicle box is there with help of pad. Okay, this is how a pad is used. And for remove pocket, I am choosing this plane, that is this face of the of a solid body. Sketch over it. I will make a small rectangle there. Okay, right now I'm just we are just showing, so I'm not making it giving it dimensions. This is sketch. Pocket it. This sketch. Pocket inside the solid body. Now you can change it from here up to what distance you want. Okay, so here I will rotate it and you can see there is a pocket inside this. Here we have cut section. Okay, from this we can see the section view of, here you can see this is solid and here we have our pocket which we cut it from. To see the section view of a solid we have this command. This is section, dynamic section. Okay, we have done with these two, and now I'm just deleting all these. So now I will show how this sharp command is used. Here in, here in pad also we have different kind of pads. But first we will go through these only simple commands. So for sharp, I am taking this section. So it is plain. Going to sketch. Where is our line? Here. Just anything. Okay. Now exit from the sketcher. Now use shaft. This sketch will be shafted and you need to find center axis. This is axis. This would be the axis, vertical axis. And okay, you can see this. What I have made this shown like that. We have this. You can see how it is revolved. I made this like something star like straight then plane and it is revolved around it. Now if I want to edit my sketch I can edit. I will remove this and make it like this. Now exit. This point and this line should be. If you want to make a hole there, you need to do this. Sorry, it should be a closed figure. And I am taking another line, making it this. And this should be vertical. Okay, exit. Now you can see there is a hole in between. It would be only up to where you make it. How this is made. Uh, this is revolved around it. You can also make a cylinder with this. Let's make a groove also to practice this groove. This here I am making a rectangle. Okay. Now exit from this sketch and make a groove around same axis and okay. Now you can see it has removed material from it around an axis. So these are all together here. You can see from cut section it will be rectangle. That rectangle is revolved around it. That's how it is made. And after that we have this rim. For rib, we have, like I'm making a, let me delete this first. Taking this plane, sketch over it. Let us make something. Okay, now exit it. Exit from this sketch, make it isometric view. So now taking a plane perpendicular to this. Okay, so perpendicular to this plane is at either this plane or this plane. I am taking this plane. Sketch over it and let me make. We can also add spline to it. Okay, just exit it. Now select the rig. Here we have two sections. One is profile and second is center curve. Profile will be over this one and center curve will be this. And okay. Now you can see this. That figure is paraded along the line which we have made. Now we can change this section. Exit. You know why this happened? Because this figure is bigger than that curve which we made here. So let us make it a bit small so that we can make that. Exit. It's a sharp turn, that's why it is not. Exit. Now you can see this is made like this. Any shape you can make with this. You can revolve it around and check it out. Whatever shape you want, you can make it. Similarly, rib is same. For rib, I am taking this section, making a small circle there. Okay, exit. I will slot it. This section, and I am taking same central axis. Okay, now you can see. Here we have a slot there inside this curve. Okay, this is how we have learned how to use these commands. Now we have solid combine to combine these and multi-section solid. Let me show how this multi-section solid works. Just select tool, no, and deleting it. Okay. On this plane, I am sketching a circle. Okay, exit. Now I am taking a datum plane. Along this plane, I am taking a new datum plane at some distance. Let it 50. Okay, on this is plane I am sketching again, but I will sketch, let me sketch a rectangle there, like this, and exit. So here we have multi-section solid. Select section 1 and section 2. Okay, sometimes this happens due to selection process. Select this multi-section solid and select this. Okay, let it be. Let me edit this sketch. Delete. Make a parallel and exit. Now we can make this so first this and second this, like this. Multi-section solid is made. The problem in this with circle is that we need equal points. Here we have 4, there we have 4. So this one will join this here, here, here. This is how it works. We can edit this edge like this. Exit. You can see it will be like that only. These are few commands in 3D section which we use and make our figures and our components, parts, everything. The similar is this with multi-section solid. It is adding material and this is removing material. That's all. So that's all for today. We will meet in another video and practice these commands with some original figures. Okay, so thank you very much.